time climbing up here. Her second time.
Yeah, I don't think it's her first.
No. Sydney? What? Is it hard? It's a good day for climbing. It's not. It's rain. It was rainy, sunny, rain. We got home from getting the windshield wiper. And since we got some more water for dog egg, and they're in the tank that Grandma Joy brought over.
Oh, almost. You almost had it.
And my grandma brought it over because my dad used to have a fish, right, Daddy? She did it! The pillow snake!
I am not.
Yeah, you are, silly dope.
Ta-da! Getting pretty good at that.
No.
Man, you're strong.